Hey guys, I want to show you a couple of things about attaching pieces to your clay project to make sure that they stay. First of all, I'm using some clay that's a little too dry. You might notice all of these cracks here. Your clay is going to be a lot better. But while I have these cracks here, I might just show you. If you use the bottom side of a spoon, you can help smooth your clay if you're kind of gentle. It's even better sometimes to just use your fingers and press the clay together. That can help smooth out all of those cracks and bumps. And I would like for you to really focus on taking your time and do that so that your project looks like you did your best work and like you actually took the time to care about it and make it look nice. So go around and smooth out your cracks as you're going. Now, if you want to attach a piece, if I wanted to add a handle to this, for example, what I would do is I would roll a coil, which is just kind of like a worm. Sometimes you have to press evenly and make sure it rolls evenly. I've got my coil here, and what I'm going to do is, this is way too big, I'm going to cut this down to make it the size that I need for this small cup. I'm actually going to cut both ends to leave a nice flat edge there. And with this extra, I'm going to put it back together into my extra clay so that it doesn't dry out. Now, I'm going to bend this gently. And again, this clay is pretty dry, so you can see it's cracking. Your clay should be in a better state to where it's not going to crack. And if your clay does become dry like this and it is cracking, you need to let me know so that we can adjust it. You might be able to add a little water. You don't want to make a bunch of mud on your project though, because that's just going to make it harder to work with. So if I wanted to attach this handle to this cup, this is not going to work. If I just try to stick it on there, it's going to come off. So what we can do instead is we can use a toothbrush and a little bit of water. In the past, we have done scratches with just scoring tools like this, where we can scratch this way. If you get just a very small amount of water on the toothbrush, kind of push it off on the edge there so it drips down. You can see the drips kind of coming down there. And then if you scratch with the toothbrush, it's a very nice scoring tool, and it gets the water on there as well. So you're kind of scoring and slipping at the same time. Remember, you need to score and slip both pieces. So this makes a nice rough surface for that to attach to. And I'm going to push those together. Make sure they line up. I'm going to just adjust this a little bit. There we go. I'm going to put my finger on the inside so that when I press against it, it doesn't cave my bowl in. And to make it even more secure, what you can do is you can smooth that into the cup and make it have an even stronger attachment. So that's something you can spend quite a bit of time on. You can use the green tool, one of the green tools, and kind of smooth out the insides as well. Don't forget, as I was doing this, I kind of made some more cracks, so smooth those back out. And that is how you can attach pieces. It's not just for handles. If you wanted to attach eyes to an animal that you're making, or if you wanted to attach decorations to whatever it is that you are creating, you need to score and slip everything that you put on to make sure it has a strong hold and it will not come apart. So make sure you score and slip on whatever it is you want to add on, and that will keep your piece secure.